Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the alarm function on your vintage 90s Seiko Chronograph Moonphase alarm watch. Now if you're new to the channel and enjoy these kind of videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description below. So guys, if you own a similar 90s or 80s Seiko Chronograph alarm watch, you might know that we have three pushers. So at 2 o'clock, at 8 o'clock, and at 10 o'clock. And here at 3 o'clock we have the main watch crown, and here at 4 o'clock we have the crown for the alarm function. And we have three positions for this alarm crown. This is the 0 position, so this is with the crown pushed all the way. Then you have the first position. When you pull it only once, you will hear a small beep. Then you have the second position when you pull it for a second time, so all the way. Now I will push the crown all the way back in because before we set the alarm, what you need to do is to actually set the time. So make sure to have the correct time set on your main dial, so on the big main time. And then after you have set the time, so the correct time, here you can see that we have a sub dial at 6 o'clock that is for the alarm function. The first thing that you want to do is to pull the crown all the way, so to the second position. And in this position, what you want to do is to have the same time on your sub dial at 6 o'clock as you have on your main dial, so the main time of the watch. And you can pull the crown and then you can adjust the time and make sure to have the two times aligned. So I'll try to do my best. After you have set the correct time, push the crown all the way back in. As you can see right now, we have the same time. Now in order to set the alarm, we will pull the crown to the first position where we will also hear this bell now. And now I'm going to use this pusher in order to select where I want the alarm to go off. As you can see, I have placed it just a few minutes, so 2 minutes from now. And in this position, so in the first position, is actually where your alarm is on. Now in order to stop the alarm, so the sound beep, you can press any of the three pushers that we have on the chrono function. Now a very interesting feature is that, let's say you want to snooze it for a minute or two. When the alarm goes off, you can press any of the three pushers, and then if you press this pusher for 1 or 2 times, depending on how many minutes you want to snooze it, this alarm will actually go a little bit further and it will go off in a minute or two, depending on where you set it in the future as well. So that is a very cool feature that you can use this button, so this pusher, in order to snooze your alarm function, and that way you can make sure that your alarm is not off. As you can see, we have reached the alarm at this point. I will press any pusher, and now as you can see, the alarm is off. And now I'm going to set the alarm a minute from now. So at this point, the alarm will go off one more time. Now as you can see, we have once again the alarm. It went in just a minute. Now I will stop, and if I want to set another alarm, I can use this pusher in order to go even further. So now I have the alarm activated. If I want to deactivate it, I need to push the crown all the way back in. And if I want to set another alarm, I need to repeat that process in order to set the alarm at a future date. So that was the quick tutorial, guys. I hope that you now know how to use your alarm function on your vintage Seiko Chronograph Moonphase alarm watch. I will also leave a link in the description below with a tutorial from Seiko where you have everything explained once again, and you can take your time in order to make your alarm work. Thank you guys, I hope you enjoyed. If so, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you on the next one.